school may be out, but the excitement of learning is still in session. That's why we are at Sussex Academy learning more about their summer program. And I'm here with Dr. Nikki Miller and Megan Reed. How are you doing today?
Good. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you for having me here today. So first tell me, because I think when a lot of people are picturing summer learning, they're picturing classrooms and worksheets. So how is this program different?
So I'll let Ms. Reed speak to this as well, but definitely one of the things we want to do is get kids excited.
Yeah.
My favorite part is we have our upcoming kindergartners here. About half of them joined us for this, and just seeing them like with their little book bags and their little lunch boxes and like learning how school is going to be for them is just really fun.
Yeah, that's really exciting. What would you say?
It's really exciting. The students they're learning new skills that they probably maybe missed before, but they're extending their learning with math, science, and engineering, while also having fun, gaining friendships, and also gaining confidence for the upcoming school year.
Yes. So what can students expect when they come here? Like, what does their day-to-day look like?
In the morning, we've really structured it more like school. So the morning is a lot of learning, hands-on experiences, and then in the afternoon, we're having fun.
Yeah.
So we're grateful for the nice weather of yesterday and today to be able to get them outside. Monday and Tuesday were a little bit rainy.
A little rocky,
yeah.
They've been doing a lot of exploring, a lot of discovery, and a lot of building, engineering, and working with their hands, problem solving.
Yeah, it sounds like there's a good balance between learning and fun. And you mentioned hands-on experience, which is very important. So talk to me a little bit about why that is and how it helps to reinforce learning.
So it definitely is with hand-to-mind coordination and helping them to be more better problem solvers and working with and collaborating with their friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. We know that in the summer too, kids can oftentimes find things for themselves to do.
Yeah.
So we're thinking that if they're here, they're meeting new friends, and we have structured activities and letting them explore, not saying this is what you have to do, but here are some art options and this is what you can choose to do.
Yeah.
So making it fun.
Yeah, it definitely is fun. I was looking at a little bit of the activities that the students are working on right now, and they were building boats, which looks super cool. So it's nice that you're doing this hands-on activities while also like tapping into your creative side and working those muscles. So why is summer learning so important in like learning during the off season, I should say?
Yeah, well, there's definitely research that shows regression of learning in the summertime. So just by piquing that interest during the summer, continuing, and really just the structure of the schedule, getting up in the morning, getting dressed, packing your lunch, like those sorts of things so they don't get out of those routines.
Yes, for sure.
And when you're seeing those smiling faces, you can tell that they understand that they're learning, but they're also having fun while doing it. And they're leaving here just having so much fun, wanting to come back again and again.
Yes. Oh, that is awesome too. And I want to kind of tap into that. How are the students' responses when they are doing these activities?
Oh, they're having a ton of fun. They see their friends, some new friends, some old friends. So they're really gaining that confidence and building that motivation and meaningful experiences for the next school year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Did you see some of our older students are here as well? Some of our fifth graders, even sixth. We have some of our upper kids, and they're here as helpers.
Yes, I did see that. I noticed that they greeted me at the door. I was like, the hospitality here is amazing.
Yeah.
So
and
it's
that's
nice
every day.
Yes, it's nice that they get that opportunity too to come here also. So if parents are watching this and wondering if summer learning is a right fit for their student or their child, what would you say to encourage them?
Absolutely. It is the perfect time to just sharpen those skills, gain that confidence, see your friends, and just prepare yourself for the upcoming school year.
And then if people are interested in getting involved, how can they find this program?
So online, we have our program online, or you can just give us a call at our office and we can set you up.
Perfect.
Yes.
Well, Megan and Nikki, thank you so much for coming on today and for talking about this awesome program.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Well, CoastLife here at Sussex Academy, they are mixing summer fun and learning with hands-on experiences. And it's honestly such an incredible program that your child can get involved with right here. But you can also get involved with a little more CoastLife if you stick around. There's more on the way.